The universe is adversarial. This leads to a stark realization. The universe, in its vast indifference, essentially opposes the existence of humanity. This notion posits that life must continuously assert its existence against the relentless challenges posed by its environment. Biological entities, which actually can be regarded as machines, must exert extraordinary effort and determination to sustain themselves. This struggle for existence requires not only physical resilience but also significant cognitive and adaptive capabilities. Over the eons, these biological machines have evolved complex mechanisms to navigate and manipulate their surroundings to ensure survival. The mastery of biochemical processes such as protein synthesis and oxygen metabolism, along with physical achievements such as terrestrial locomotion and flight, exemplify the myriad ways in which life has adapted to overcome existential threats. Survival in the universe is not merely a matter of being, but a ceaseless battle against extinction. Each evolutionary advancement represents a solution to the survival problem. Early life forms developed the capacity to harness the basic building blocks of proteins to form complex organisms. These organisms then learned to utilize oxygen, a once toxic substance, to generate energy more efficiently, adapting their physiology to breathe and metabolize it. Mobility allowed organisms to escape predators, exploit new resources, and eventually dominate various ecological niches, from the depths of the oceans to the skies above. The universe acts as the ultimate adversary, prompting a perpetual arms race between the forces of entropy and the imperative of life to persist and propagate. In this dynamic, the most adaptable and quick-learning organisms are those that survive and thrive. These organisms engage in a continuous cycle of sensing environmental stimuli, understanding these inputs, and then harnessing this knowledge to overcome adversities. This knowledge is then transmitted to subsequent generations, enhancing the survival prospects of the species. Humanity has distinguished itself through the development of two primary pathways for knowledge transmission: the genetic pathway and the mimetic pathway. The genetic pathway, the original mode of biological information transfer, involves the encoding of survival information within DNA, passed from parent to offspring. However, as human societies evolved, the mimetic pathway, encompassing the transmission of cultural knowledge, skills, and behaviors through communication and imitation, has become predominant. This pathway allows humans to rapidly adapt to new challenges without waiting for genetic mutations and natural selection, providing a more dynamic and flexible response to the adversarial universe. Understanding humanity's role in this adversarial universe underscores our resilience and inventiveness in the face of cosmic indifference. It highlights our journey from simple organisms to complex beings capable of altering our environment and ourselves, showcasing our unique ability to transcend our biological limitations through cultural evolution and technological innovation.